Let me show you
Yeah.
DWColor because you had asked about using the VLookUp, and I did want to point out the use of tables in DriveWorks because I think it's a really useful function. So for DWColor, kind of the idea here, let me just paint the full picture. If we go back to our form, what we've got on the form is we've got a drop down where somebody can select from a large number of colors, right? Just all sorts of different colors that they can choose from on their conveyor. And what ultimately has to happen is we need to pass an RGB value down to that DWColor custom property. That's kind of how
Okay.
SOLIDWORKS is going to actually paint the appropriate color on our models. I don't want people choosing RGB values because nobody's going to know what value to choose, and it'll be
No
kind
way.
of a guessing game. So instead, we're going to give them the list of colors, and then we're going to find and pass down the appropriate value, and we'll do that through tables. So over here in the tables category, we just created a simple table, and we actually just pasted these values from Excel. So we've got one column with all the colors, and we've got one column with all of the associated RGB values, and we're just going to do a VLOOKUP to grab the
Yeah,
one
I
we
can
need.
see where you're going with that. I got you.
Yeah, so now over
Yeah.
here in our DWColor property, go ahead and write a rule. And I'll actually use the rule builder for this. So I'll do VLOOKUP. And the value I want to look up is the color that the user selected. So on my controls form, I'm going to go find the frame color. So we've got a drop down called frame color. I'm going to go ahead and double click that, and it's going to put it into this little wizard as the lookup value. Next, we're going to tell it what table to go look it up in. I've only got one table right now. It's called colors. And then the color that, or the column rather, that we want to return is the RGB column. And we're going to tell it to do an exact match on all
Oh
of
my
this.
God. This is easier than Excel.
It's way easier.
Way easier.
We'll hit finish and it'll write it all out for me. It's got it, appropriately formatted. And then again, if we look at the values column, it'll basically tell me right now somebody's got red selected and the output result is 25500, which is perfect. So we know that's good.
Heck yeah. Now,
Easy as that.